Leaders wey dey for opposition Labour Party with their members don waka go the headquarters of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) for Abuja, wey be Naija capital. The party's 2023 presidential candidate Peter Obi and Abia State Governor Dr. Alex Otti lead the delegation wey dey received by the INEC National Commissioner Sam Olumeku. Barrister Olumide Akpata, Labour Party Guber candidate for Edo 2024 governorship election, and other ogbonge leaders also joined for the march. They come tell the INEC say make dem recognize Nnamdi Usman as the correct national chairmo of Labour Party. This one shall a few days after Supreme Court cancelled the appeal court judgment wey be put Julius Abure as the national chairmo. They come chook mouth on top how dem go take build better collabo and make democracy strong. For the visit, Governor Otti come carry certified true copy of the Supreme Court judgment give INEC and come here and say the meeting na to clear the air, build understanding and make everybody for the party and INEC dey on the same page.
The National Cabinet Committee to proceed with the arrangement of all the congresses leading to a national convention so that the party will begin to run once more as a registered political party. It's instructive to note that in your website you have Barrister Julius Abure as the chairman of the party, but you do have a clause here that says court order. Since there is another court order, we call on you to remove his name and replace with the Secretary Senator Usman.
Meanwhile, INEC National Commissioner Sam Olumeku talk say the commission will continue to dey neutral, dey transparent and follow the rule of law wella as them they do their work.
We have a copy here, but I'm sure our legal representatives are the Supreme Court trying to get a CTC, which we will use. We will meet and take decisions on this matter. We will also communicate to the chairman the development that has taken place today. I also want to use this occasion to reassure you that INEC would always be transparent. I thank you for your visit and I assure you that you will hear from us in due course. Thank you.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. Akata Ojisali, TMC News.